Jesus Christ, how can you open your mouth and utter such rubbish? Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Vanessa and welcome to my channel. So you guys, like, I know I've been a little bit MIA for the past couple of weeks, but I'm going to explain to you guys why I have not been uploading for the last few weeks. So today's video is going to be like really chatty, a really good chit chat video. So let's just get right into the video. Yeah. So before I start, let me just clear the air on why I've not been uploading. So you guys know I got a new camera, yeah, which is what I'm filming on right now. Come through quality. And besides, new hair, who's this? Don't mind me, excuse me, but I hope you guys like my braids. Like, I'm a bit skeptical about the color, but I like the braids though. And my charger got bad. I don't know, I think it blew or something, but my charger got bad. So I had to order a new one from the person I got the camera from. Yeah, and that was in Lagos. So it took quite a while for it to get to me. I was a bit frustrated, but what to do? Anyways, here we are. I've really missed you guys, and I didn't want to film with my phone, you know, like after exposing you guys to that kind of quality content, I didn't want to just come and scatter everything and film on my phone and bringing, you know, the old content back. So yeah, that is basically it. So let's get right into the makeup and talk about a couple of things that I want to talk about with you guys. First off, I'm going to prime my face with this Rimmel primer. This is a lasting finish base. So a while ago, I posted a picture on Twitter. And I think I captioned it something like, I think dark skinned girl, yeah, something like that. So somebody commented like, oh, you're not dark skinned, you're what? You're chocolate. I think he said you're chocolates. Like, uncle, are you about to start arguing with me about my skin color? Why? I look at myself in the mirror every day. Like, I see myself every blessed day. Then I post a picture and you're trying to tell me I'm not dark skinned, I'm chocolate. In Nigeria, yeah, people use chocolate, like chocolate skin tone, to refer to people of like medium skin tone, like people that are not light skinned and are not like really dark skinned either. So that's like medium, you get. I went off camera quickly to do my brows. So I'm so sorry guys, I lost the clip where I was talking about the remaining part of this story, but basically this guy was just telling me that I was not dark skin, I am chocolate skin tone, that's like a medium skin tone, and I don't know, I think he meant it as a compliment. I came from a family where like everybody used to gas me up like, oh, black beauty queen and all that. So that's where I got like most of my confidence from. I knew right from time that being dark skinned was not like, didn't make me less beautiful than light skinned girls, but I never really realized it up until like some couple of years back. Yeah, so while I was little, I was very happy that I was dark skinned, I was really pretty, but later on, like when I became a teenager, I think I started feeling less about myself because I was dark skinned, because I felt like, oh, the light skinned girls were prettier, they were going to have boys were going to approach them more than me because I was dark skinned. So because I'm dark skinned, I'm not as pretty as them. I do not know where that mentality came from, but yeah, I had that mentality. So then I used to think of even using lightening creams, like bleaching creams, because I wanted to be like light skinned, and that was a madness. I don't know why I had that mentality, but later on, like, I realized my melanin is exquisite. Read my lips, exquisite. And I let go of that thought, and my life has never remained the same. You being dark skinned doesn't make you less pretty than your friend that's light skinned, or your sister that is light skinned, because I was the darkest in my house. Yes, I was the darkest person in my house. My sisters were light skin and like medium skin tone. My mom is light skin, my dad is dark skin, but I was the darkest person in my house. I wanted to be light skinned. I craved to be light skinned then, but now see, being light skinned, why? When you can see all this chocolate goodness, Nigerian guys, learn. Telling me I'm pretty for a dark skinned girl is not a compliment. Telling me, oh, you're not even that dark, you're like chocolate. I'm dark. I am dark. I am black. Dark skinned, black. Okay, I'm not chocolate or medium. I mean, I'm chocolate, obviously. I'm like edible chocolate, but I'm not medium skin tone. I'm dark. And funny enough, like when I see a lot of people bleaching, yeah, I don't have anything against you if you're bleaching your skin. Honestly, I really do not. I don't. I mean, it's your business. You can do whatever you want. But when you bleach, own it with your chest. Say it. Yes, I was not light before. I lightened my skin, and so what? It's nobody's business. So when you want to bleach with your chest. Don't come and be telling me later tomorrow, hey, I was never dark. I was not a dark person before. I did not really bleach. I just toned. I'm just toning. Yes, that's what it is. I'm not bleaching. I'm just toning. You're bleaching, but it's cool. I mean, it's your skin. If you want to bleach, you can go ahead and bleach. If you want to turn yourself to Snow White, feel free to do that, honey. It's your skin. Oh my gosh, talking too much. But don't lie, okay? Don't lie. Don't lie at all. If you are bleaching, bleach with your chest. Own it. Nobody will beat you. I'm done with my eyes now. This is like really soft, really simple. This is the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Foundation, and this is in the shade Cano. As I was saying earlier on, you being dark skinned doesn't make you less pretty than your friend that is dark, that is light skinned, or your friend that is chocolate skin tone, like Nigerian men like to call it. Even in this era we were in, where everybody's like embracing their melanin, there's still some mad people, some stupid people that come and say, oh my gosh, she's too dark. No dear, you're too stupid. She's not too dark, you're too stupid. I remember I had an argument about this on Twitter some time ago. There was this model, they posted a picture, she's like really dark skinned. So somebody was like, oh my gosh, what is this? This is disgusting. She's too dark. Why is she so black? I was like, Jesus Christ, how can you open your mouth and utter such rubbish? How dare you imagine the audacity, the effrontery to do that in another person's picture. People are mad, my dear. Yeah. Mad. Completely mad. Your brain is disgusting. How can you be saying such things in this era? And then when somebody starts bleaching, they are still the same people that will start saying, oh my gosh, she's bleaching. Why is she bleaching? I could go on and on about my different encounters I've had with people regarding to dark skin. I mean, people in America, when you hear of white people that are like being racist to dark skin people or black people, you start talking about Black Lives Matter, blah 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 blah, and you that is here in your own country, you are being colorist to your fellow Nigerians. Why are you like this? Please change that your mentality. See, I brought out too much foundation. I'm trying to scoop like everything back now because I don't want to waste. Oh, by the way, I thought of something recently. You know how this foundation was like really talked about last year, and the Fenty Beauty foundation was really talked about last year as well. I was thinking maybe should I do like a side-by-side comparison of the two foundations. Where's the Fenty one? Yes, this is the Fenty one and this is the Juvia's Place one. Should I do like a side-by-side comparison of both? Would you guys watch it? Because these are like two of my favorite foundations. So I want to know, would you guys watch? Let me know in the comment section if you'd watch it. Yeah, this foundation is like beautiful. Let me see. I'm going to contour now. This concealer is really dark and it's so surprising that it's from a Nigerian brand. Like, it's really surprising. I mean, most Nigerian brands don't go this deep in their concealers. Only if you actually go this deep in foundations, talk more of concealer. By the way, this is the Adventure Makeup Pro Concealer, and this is the shade Coffee. Siri, did I call you? Get lost. Oh my goodness. See, you guys, like, NEPA is crazy. They just took it like, but this looks nice as well. Like, I still look nice even with natural lighting. So I think we'll continue like this for a while. I'm going to highlight my face with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm going to blend this with a brush. I'm also going to take a little bit of my Pro Concealer, my Elegant Pro Concealer, and just not feeling too much because the Fit Me Concealer is like really light. It doesn't give a lot of coverage, so I want a little bit more coverage. Now that that is blended, I'm going to use my powder puff and take this pressed powder, just set my under eye like. And I'm taking my MAC Studio Fix powder. This is in NW55, and I'm just setting my whole face with this. Can you see, like, that concealer was so dark that I don't even need to set my contour with I don't need to contour with powder. I already have enough depth in my face. I'm going to contour my nose with this same powder as well. I'm using this blush from Glam Girls Cosmetics. I'm going to highlight my face now with my Glam Beauty Pro highlighter. I'm going to spray my face now. I really like mist on this setting spray. This is the Kiss Beauty setting spray. Just see. I'm going to line my lips now. Then I'm going to take this nude lipstick from Zion Cosmetics. This is called Girl Next Door. This looks really nice matte like this, but you guys know I'm a gloss girl. This is called Purple Rain from Shimmer Glints. Okay, I know my forehead is massive, to be honest. Let me do a little bit of contouring on this forehead because this is... What kind of space is this here? This is just massive. What is this? This is the final look. I know I look good. I mean, it's me. I always look good. Hope you guys enjoyed my little chit chat / rant / little talk. I really hope you guys do. Let me know down below if you want me to do like more of this, more chit chat videos. This stuff is supposed to be like this. I don't know why it's not staying. It's just being flat and ugly. Okay guys, let me know down below if you want me to do like more chit chat videos like this. Actually do want to do more, but like I always don't know what to talk about, and I don't want to come here and start talking about random things and boring you guys. So this is it for this video, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.